So as I have already told you that ammonia is really very toxic compound for our bodies, although it's an inevitable product of the metabolism of amino acids, but amino acids have to be converted into a less harmful product like urea. But if there is any abnormality in the formation of urea or in the excretion of ammonia in whatever way, then definitely it's going to be very harmful for our body. This is, we will see that normally the ammonia level are 50 micromole per liter in a healthy individual. But if your liver gets compromised, if there is any disease which is affecting your liver, then definitely it will also affect in the conversion of ammonia into urea. So in certain very severe cases, the ammonia level can lead to 1000 micromole per liter. It's a very, very high level of ammonia, but it can occur, and that's why it is a very emergency situation. One of the previous lectures, I have already told you that the amino acid metabolism, any problem in them can affect your brain, because brain is very vulnerable whenever there's accumulation of toxic compounds, and ammonia is of course toxic. Then this accumulation of ammonia can lead to tremors, slurring of speech, hachkalana, you cannot speak well, then drowsiness, you feel lethargic, drowsy, sleepy, then it can lead to vomiting, then a very severe condition like cerebral edema, in which this edema in your brain is filled with the fluid, and then of course the blurring of the eyes, blurring of the vision, that your eyesight start declining gradually. So these are all the neurological effects of the toxification caused by the accumulation of ammonia in your body. Then in addition to the genetic problems which can lead to problems in the excretion of ammonia, then there is also the acquired hyperammonia, that is ammonia excessive accumulation of ammonia in your body because of reasons which are not genetic in nature. For example, if you are infected, hepatitis C is a big example of it. Then also you can be intoxicated with the alcohol, which damage your liver. And even sometimes liver is so much damaged that it causes to the cirrhosis of the liver. And as a result, because we have told you that much of the metabolism which is responsible for the excretion or getting rid of the ammonia, it occurs in the liver. So if liver is not functioning well, of course, then it will really have very harmful effect. And also thing is that around the liver there is a collateral circulation also arises, because the main pathway which is leading the blood towards liver is not working well, that the portal vein is already under pressure because of liver is not working well. So what will happen, that around the liver many collateral new pathways or circulatory pathways will emerge. And also it will happen that the portal blood, the blood which have to go through the liver, it will be bypassed. It will be shunted into the blood which is this systemic blood, which takes the blood towards the heart. So जो blood liver में जाना, liver में toxification को असरात को कम करना है, because liver is a very, very, very major organ to detoxify your body. So if blood is not going into liver, in addition, instead it is shunted away from the liver, what will happen, that many of the toxin will become part of the systemic blood circulation. That blood will be then circulated throughout your body, and your body will be very, very badly affected because of this toxification. That is why we say that liver is such a major organ of your body, because it detoxify, it get rid of, it makes you get rid of the the harmful chemicals like ammonia. Then there are congenital diseases also, which are because of genetic disorder, which we have already been talking about again and again. They are X-linked, for example, ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency, one of the enzyme which is involved in the urea cycle. It can also leads to hyperammonia. Of course, it's X-linked, so you know that X-linked disease are more prevalent in the males as compared to females. All the other urea cycle related diseases are which occur because of the deficiency in the enzymes of the urea cycle. They are autosomal. Then as far as the treatment is concerned, as I have already told you, I mean, one way is that you can restrict those proteins so that you can impose some dietary restrictions, which can then somehow, through which you can somehow manage this disorder. Then you can also administer or introduce certain compounds which can bind with the certain what we say the products of the metabolism of amino acids, which can be less harmful. One example of this is the you can use phenyl butyrate. This phenyl butyrate, what will it do? That phenyl butyrate, it combines with the glutamine, because the phenyl butyrate, it converted into phenyl acetate, which combines with the phenyl glutamine, making phenyl acetyl glutamine. This phenyl acetyl glutamine is much less toxic, and in this way it minimizes the effect of the toxic effects of the ammonia. So this is one of the way in which you can really minimize the effects of hyperammonia and treat it.